everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we start this video, I wanted to say that for the past 2 weeks I have been a little bit busy since school started and didn't post a video. But just to let you all know, I will be going back to my regular schedule of posting a new recipe for you guys each Sunday. For today's recipe, I will be making a classic Ethiopian breakfast, Derkosh Firfir. This is a very delicious and yummy recipe. If you didn't know, Derkosh is dried injera. This recipe only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to make and serves multiple people. If you guys like the sound of this video, make sure to stay tuned. First, we're going to dice half of a white onion. Next, we're going to dice 4 small tomatoes. Now we're going to take out a large pan or skillet and turn your heat to high. Now drizzle a little bit of oil on the pan and add your diced onion. Then season this with a little bit of salt. Next, add 3 scoops of BERBERA. Make sure to add either minced garlic or garlic powder. Now add a little bit of water so the bottom doesn't burn, then let it simmer. add diced tomatoes and a little bit more water. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of black cardamom. Lastly, we're going to add 1 scoop of clarified butter. Little by little, you're going to add your dried injera to the sauce. Thank you all so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Also make sure to turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I make a new video. Today's recipe was very delicious and yummy. Make sure to try it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!